Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Pramudia Wisnu Suprobo with student number K1221057. I come from class A of Indonesian Language and Literature Education, 11 Maret University. In here I will explain about the identity of the nation. Just to save the time, let's go into the discussion, especially the identity of the nation as the character of the nation. I am here to review and explain about the national identity of the Indonesian nation. This is with the aim of providing insight to the citizens of the nation to better understand the following. National identity as national character. At the practical level, furthermore, it is hoped the citizen of the nation can apply an understanding of the national identity of the Indonesian nation and its implementation in organizing the life of society, nation, and state. It is recommended that we care more about knowing and learning about the national identity of the Indonesian nation so that it can add to the horizon of knowledge. Indonesians national identity is set in the Indonesian Constitution, namely the 1945 Constitution in articles number 35 to 36C. National identities that show Indonesian identity include the following. Number 1, the flag of the red and white country. Provisions regarding the state flag are regulated in State Law number 24 of 209 2009 starting from Article number 4 to Article number 24. The red and white flag was raised for the first time on August 17 at 1945. At the time of the yacht out in 1928. Number 2, the state language of Indonesia or the united language, namely Indonesian. Provision on state language are regulated in law number 24 of 209 starting from article number 25 to number 45. Indonesian as the state language is the result of an agreement between the founders of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia or NKRI. Indonesian language comes from the Malaya. Number 3, the national anthem, namely Indonesia Raya. The national anthem is a song of the song that is recognized as an official song and a symbol in a country. The national anthem can form the national identity of a country and can be used as an expression to show nationalism and patriotism. Indonesia Raya. This song was composed by Wek Rudolf Supratman in 1924 and was first played at the Youth Congress or Sumpah Pemuda on October 28. Number 4, the symbol of state, namely Garuda Pancasila, on July 13 at 1045 in a meeting of the committee for the drafting of the 1945 Constitution. One of the committee members named Prada Harahap proposed the state symbol. On November 16, 1945, a new committee for Indonesia Raya was formed. This committee is tasked with investigating and the meaning of symbol in the civilization of the Indonesian nation as a first step in preparing study materials about the state. That's what I can explain. If there is an error in my opinion and offense all colleagues, I sincerely apologize that you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.